Let me show you how to see your Reels watch history on Instagram. Instagram gives you a couple different options to be able to go back and re-watch those. I'll walk you through both of those options. Now, there are a couple different ways we can do this if we open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Let's say we watch this reel and we kept just swiping through watching a number of different reels. Let's say we liked this or commented on it. That would make it easy to be able to find it because essentially we can get into the settings of your Instagram app and then we can get into your activity and go look at all of your likes, including all of the videos that you have liked. So you can always go back and see those again. However, this doesn't show every single video or reel that you have watched. You can see likes, you can see comments, you can see if I go back, it says reposts or tagged, etc. However, these are just ones that you have interacted with. Let's say you wanted to go back and find those videos that you have watched, but you haven't liked or done anything else. We can do that essentially by downloading the information associated with our account. So we can go through and export all of that information on your Instagram account, and essentially it will include information associated with your specific usage, including all of your watch history. So all we need to do is go through the process of exporting all of your information. You can see I can choose whether it's all information or just some of it. But then I can just go through the process of exporting it. So just enter in the password associated with your account. After you've done all that, you'll be able to find that file after you've downloaded it in the Files app. So just go to the app library and just search for the Files app. Open it up, you'll be able to see that entire watch history.